Hello guys, I'm Daniel and you're welcome back to another Split video which will teach you how to get Telegram stars really cheap and how not to miss Fragment. Okay, now if you look right here guys, this is Explore Premium without limit. I've created a video on how to buy Telegram stars really cheap on this site called Split with Ton coin, but in this very video I'm going to be teaching you how to do this with your USDT Ton. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of people sending me message on how to do exactly this, and this is what I'm going to be showing you right now. Now the reason I'll be creating this very video is for those of us who have USDT Ton but don't want to swap back to Ton coin because we don't want to spend on gas fees. So if you're one of those people, then sit tight and watch this very video so you learn how to do exactly this. Now if you look right here, you see that it says we provide the most popular payment method for your comfortable use of Telegram Premium. So this is where you can, this site is where you can buy Telegram Premium and Telegram stars really cheap as Fragment. You have nothing to miss about Fragment, and you don't have to do any KYC at all. If I scroll down right now, you're going to see that it says pay with whatever soon without KYC, and that is what we're going to be doing right now. You don't have to do any form of KYC or anything. Okay, so just pay close attention and watch as I show you step by step on how to buy Telegram stars with Ton without performing KYC. But before we do that, let's head over to Fragment right now so you see why I am abandoning Fragment and choosing Split. So if we head over to Tonkeeper wallet right now, and open up the Fragment site. After fixing your username right here and select the amount you want to buy, let me select 50 stars for example. Okay, and then scroll down and click on buy 50 Telegram stars, and then click on buy stars for Daniel. You can see right here guys that it says you have to log in, and this is where the verification process ends. Even if you click on login right now, this stuff just keeps loading up and on even after filling your details and all that. And all to no avail. We've tried it several times, no result. So this is why I found a better alternative, and this is why I wanted to hop in to this right away. Okay, so if you want to get Telegram stars right now, just check the link in the video description, a link that says Split link. Okay, just click on that link in the description of this very video. Just click the see more button, click on that link and head over to this very site to get your Telegram stars cheap. So what you have to do once you land on this very site is to first click on buy premium and stars. Okay, now you can see right here it says what are you buying today? Use tokens on Ton network for fast payments without any hassle. So we're going to be buying Telegram stars, right? You can see they also have the referral program which you earn money with ease. Okay, you just have to replace your wallet address with this address right here, and whoever buys Telegram stars using your link would also gain something. So if you think I deserve it for creating this very video for you, then you might want to use the link in the video description. I would really appreciate that. So we're going to click on buy stars to user, and right here we are meant to enter our username, and right here you can see USDT is selected, okay, because it's actually the first. Then we have Ton right here. Now how do you buy with USDT? It's simple, right? Let's say you have Ton on your Tonkeeper wallet. Let's just head over to Tonkeeper right now and then exit this and come over to my wallet. You can see right here I have about 1.3 Ton, currently worth $7.8. So I'm going to be swapping this Ton coin to USDT Ton for the purpose of this lesson. But like I said before, if you have Ton coin already, then there's no need swapping to USDT Ton. Just go ahead and use the Ton coin to purchase Telegram stars. So I'm quickly going to do the swap and then come back to this very video. I'm going to refresh this right now. Okay, so when it appears, it is going to appear here. Okay, but before it appears, let me also show you something real quick. Before you be able to do this transaction of a thing, you have to connect your Ton wallet right here. Okay, you have to connect your Ton wallet right here. Okay, you can see it says disconnect. Connection is easy. You just have to click on connect, and okay, let me quickly disconnect this. Okay, so you see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to click on connect right now and then click on Tonkeeper. Okay, so the wallet you want to connect is the one you are actually in. This is the wallet that is currently open, so this is the wallet that is going to connect to this site. If you don't want this wallet, you can just click on that drop down arrow at the top and change the wallet. But since this is the wallet I'm going to be using, I'm going to click on connect wallet right now and then enter my passcode, of course, and it says done. Okay, as easy as ABC. So it says open with Chrome. We're going to open with Chrome right now. you see the wallet is now connected, and if you want to disconnect, it's just like I did before, you disconnect right here. So I'm going to click on buy premium and stars again, scroll down and click on buy stars to user, okay, and check the wallet right now to see if we have received this. So guys, I've actually added this right now, and you can see the USDT ton I have right here is now $5. Like I said, the reason we're doing this is just in case you have USDT ton and you don't want to swap back to ton because of the gas fee, then you do this, right? So I'm going to head back to Split right now and click on buy premium and stars again. Then go ahead and click on buy stars for user. Okay, so the first thing we're meant to do is to enter our Telegram username right here. Of course, if you want this to arrive at your Telegram account, you have to fix in your username, a means of identification, right? So we're going to enter our Telegram username right here. So we're going to minimize this right now and then head over to Telegram. The moment you head over to Telegram, you want to click on that three horizontal line at the top left hand corner of your screen. Then go ahead and click on my profile, then click on this very one that says username and copy your username, right? Click on copy username, then head back to Split and then paste in that username you just copied. Okay, once you paste that in, you just have to wait a little bit and you can see that it says Daniel Seed Patrick. This is actually my Telegram name, so this is verified. So I'm just going to enter the amount right here and enter 200. Okay, so you can see 3.08 USDT. I'm going to click on buy Telegram stars right now. Okay, and slide this to the very end. Now the reason you see 3.6 right here is because of the network fee, right? Not because it is what they are charging you, but because of the network fee. So I'm going to slide this to the very end and then enter my passcode real quick. So it says done. So this is going to automatically redirect you to Split. So what you're meant to do now is to head over to your Telegram account. This is important. Okay, so once you head over to your Telegram account, you are meant to see the Telegram official bot right here, okay, at the top, somewhere around the top. Okay, so this is it right now. It just appeared. Okay, you can see Telegram right here. Just click on it and you can see right here, so unknown user sent you a gift of 0.52 ton, which is worth $3. So 200 Telegram stars has been sent to my Telegram account. If for any reason you don't see this Telegram official bot right here, all you have to do is to head over to the search bar. Okay, just click on the search bar at the top and search for Telegram, right? Telegram, and you see this very one right here that says Telegram support, that has a support and a verified icon. So just click on this right away and you get to see that message right here. If I click on view right now, you're going to see the transaction ID and the date it was sent. So this is exactly 6th of January 2025 at 6:11 a.m. and if you look at the top right there, this is the same date that this was sent. Okay, so this is exactly how this works. Okay, so I'm just going to click OK right now. Now, how do you really confirm the Telegram stars has been sent to your account? It's easy, right? You just head over to the all section. This is the all section of your Telegram account. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right hand corner of your screen, then go ahead and click on settings right here. This is settings at the bottom. Then scroll down and click on my stars. You can see it's even displaying right here. Okay, and you see 200 Telegram stars. Now I buy stars a lot because I use them for a lot of things. So you can see this is the received gift right here, and it usually says unknown user, but this is how it works, right? There is nothing fishy or scammy. This site is tested and trusted. I did with Ton before and it worked. I also did with USDT right now. Just so you know, this is the first time I'm buying Telegram stars with USDT, and I'm confident in creating this video because I know it will work. So feel confident to use the link in the description of this video that says Split link, alright, to get your Telegram stars from this site, and trust me, you'll be good to go, right? So this is basically how this works. If we head over to Donkeeper right now and refresh this, you see that all the assets we have in this very wallet right now is now what, just $3.84. We go to the history section and you can see right here $3.03 was sent out. All right, the order is just for the transaction fee. Okay, so with your Telegram stars right now, you can now go ahead and do whatever you want to do. If it's for airdrops or whatever, we usually buy these Telegram stars for airdrop. You can now go ahead and pay for that airdrop you are mining. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you have any question at all, I'd like you to leave it in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, if this is your first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so that whenever I drop updates like this, you won't miss out at all. Also, do well to follow our social media handle with the link in the video description, which is Telegram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Just join anyone that suits you best so that whenever I drop updates there, because there are some updates you won't be able to create video for, we post them right there, and by so doing, you don't miss out on any updates at all. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Keep staying safe.